and tax evasion. The BJP has welcomed the Supreme Court's verdict on demonetisation of high-value currency notes, saying that the decision taken in the interest of the country has been upheld. Addressing media in New Delhi, party spokesperson Ravi Shankar Prasad said that the demonetisation scheme was implemented with an objective of curbing terror, funding and black money. He said it was the biggest blow to terrorism. He came down heavily on Congress for its opposition over the note ban, alleging that the opposition party has protected and promoted the informal economic elements in the country.
The Supreme Court today, by a majority judgment of 4-1, has dismissed all the 58 writ petitions challenging the constitutional validity of the historic demonetisation scheme launched in 2016 by the Shri Narendra Modi government. This whole exercise was done for a valid cause, namely removing fake currency, containing terror funding, black marketing, etc.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address the